Look what we got. Ironmaster, finally.
Let's get the party started. Then Echo's gonna knock this over. Come here. Come here. Yeah, I ordered this like a month ago. The Rogue trainer should be here tomorrow. This is the Ironmaster bench and the leg developer attachment. Okay, and then this is the actual bench. Box is like a little bit messed up. Let's see. Guy over. Let's see how we can put this together. Okay, so the good news, we have the bench, but we do not have the 19 millimeter ratchet attachment or socket. So check back in. I will be checking back in here probably tomorrow with said socket and see if we can get this thing built.